What happens when we start mingling ourselves with what we know must be true is that all the things that could have happened did. They actually did. They're real. Fine, they pushed him and we never saw them, but that pushing happened. Somebody pushed him. And so, if I'm real, and the scratching the nose me is real, and the sneezing me is real, then the decision-making other me is real. The things we could have done are real. They pull. They tug. It really happened that you did that horrible thing. It really happened that you didn't break in time. It really happened that you didn't get lucky the way you did in this world. Good news is if you had bad luck, there's someone out there who had good luck. This is a philosophical problem, of course, too, because now I really have done all those awful things. So have you. And we know that because we can look at a tiny decision and we see the ghost effects of that.